Let's do some verb juggling and accelerate your fluency. Sprechen über is to speak about. Sprechen über. How would you say I speak about? Ich spreche über. How would you say I speak about the holidays? Ich spreche über den Urlaub. You see, sprechen über is a phrasal verb. So it's a verb that requires a preposition. Speak about, like in English. Sprechen über. And it's an accusative verb. Ich spreche über den Urlaub. It's actually der Urlaub, but in accusative, the masculine article is den. Ich spreche über den Urlaub. How would you say I speak about my holidays? Ich spreche über meinen Urlaub. How would you say I speak about your holidays? Ich spreche über deinen Urlaub. How would you say I speak about his holidays? Ich spreche über seinen Urlaub. How would you say I speak about her holidays? Ich spreche über ihren Urlaub. You see, seinen Urlaub, his holidays. Ihren Urlaub, her holidays. With en at the end because the accusative is triggered. Seinen with en. Ihren with en. How would you say I speak about the future? Ich spreche über die Zukunft. You see, here it's die Zukunft. The female article in accusative is the same, it's die. Ich spreche über die Zukunft. How would you say I speak about my future? Ich spreche über meine Zukunft. How would you say I speak about her future? Ich spreche über ihre Zukunft. How would you say I speak about his future? Ich spreche über seine Zukunft. How would you say I speak about my life? Ich spreche über mein Leben. Here you see mein, no ending because it's neuter. Ich spreche über mein Leben. How would you say I speak about your life? Ich spreche über dein Leben. How would you say I speak about his life? Ich spreche über sein Leben. How would you say I speak about her life? Ich spreche über ihr Leben. So you see, sein Leben, his life, ihr Leben, her life. Here without ending. How would you say, what are you speaking about? Worüber sprichst du? You see, worüber. When we use a phrasal verb in German and we want to ask about the thing, in German we ask, what about? Worüber. And we don't say what, we use wo. So keep in mind, if you want to ask about the thing, wo plus the preposition. So, worüber. Here we put also an R in between because we have two vowels, just to sound better. Worüber. What about? Worüber sprichst du? What about are you talking? What about are you speaking? What about speak you? Worüber sprichst du? How would you say, what about is he speaking? Worüber spricht er? How would you say, what about speaks she? Worüber spricht sie? How would you say, what about are you speaking, sir? Worüber sprechen Sie? How would you say, we speak about our holidays? Wir sprechen über unseren Urlaub. You see, unseren Urlaub, unser is our. Unseren Urlaub, our holidays. How would you say, we speak about our life? Wir sprechen über unser Leben. How would you say, we speak about our future? Wir sprechen über unsere Zukunft. How would you say, shall we speak about our holidays? Sollen wir über unseren Urlaub sprechen? You see, sollen, shall or should, sollen. And now we have two verbs, sollen and sprechen, so that the second one, you remember, is kicked to the very end. Sollen wir über unseren Urlaub sprechen? Shall we about our holidays speak? This is the structure actually in German. Shall we about our holidays speak? Sollen wir über unseren Urlaub sprechen? How would you say, shall we speak about our future? Sollen wir über unsere Zukunft sprechen? How would you say, shall we speak about our life? Sollen wir über unser Leben sprechen? You see, unser Leben, because it's neuter. Unsere Zukunft, because it's female. And unseren Urlaub with en, because it's masculine accusative. How would you say, I don't want to speak about it? Ich will darüber nicht sprechen. You see, ich will, I want. I want is ich will. The actual verb is wollen, to want, wollen. But it's a modal verb and it's a little bit irregular, so the first person singular is ich will, I want. Ich will darüber nicht sprechen. Darüber means about it. So the same way when we ask worüber, about the thing, when we ask about the thing, now we're pointing to the thing and we need to say darüber. Da plus the preposition, about it. I want about this not speak. Ich will darüber nicht sprechen. How would you say, he doesn't want to speak about it? Will darüber nicht sprechen. How would you say, she doesn't want to speak about it? Sie will darüber nicht sprechen. Great! Next time we'll go through the verb studieren, to study. Studieren, to study. Like when you say, where have you studied? So here's what I want you to do now. Take this verb now and juggle it around. Build just 3 simple sentences, saying them out loud. Just 3 simple sentences. This will take you just 1 minute. In the next episode, you'll hear my take on this verb. So talk to you soon. Bis bald. Are you a busy professional who neither has the time, nor the patience, nor the energy to attend traditional language school classes at night or weekends? Then you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below and get my free German podcast course that will help you boost your confidence in speaking in less than 3 months, spending just 10 minutes a day while commuting to work.